Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you are all fine and doing great. So friends, today I will show you my brown pointed toe middle heels with dangling. By the way friends, I love dangling with heels and brown color is so much favorite and I love my brown color heels. Many of my friends say to me to make a dangling with brown heels video. So I make this video for my viewers and subscribers. So please friends, share my video with your friends and office colleagues and enjoy watching my video. Okay friends, take care and watch my full video. Bye.